All right, my friends, let's dive right into some delicious heart-healthy drinks that you simply must try. These beverages are not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your heart. These recipes are not only tasty, but also good for your ticker. Each drink is packed with ingredients that support cardiovascular health, making them perfect additions to your daily routine. First up, we have the classic green smoothie. In a blender, toss in a handful of spinach, half a banana, a cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a few ice cubes. Blend until smooth and enjoy. This drink is packed with antioxidants and fiber, excellent for maintaining heart health. Spinach is rich in vitamins and minerals, while chia seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids. Next, let's whip up a berry beet juice. You'll need 1 small beet, half a cup of strawberries, half a cup of blueberries, and a cup of water. Blend everything until smooth and strain if you prefer a juice-like consistency. This vibrant drink is not only visually appealing, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Beets are known for their blood pressure-lowering properties, and berries are bursting with heart-healthy nutrients. The combination of these ingredients makes for a drink that supports overall cardiovascular function. Now, how about a refreshing cucumber mint cooler? Slice up half a cucumber and add it to a pitcher with a handful of fresh mint leaves. Pour in a liter of sparkling water and let it sit for a few hours in the fridge. This allows the flavors to meld together, creating a crisp and invigorating drink. This drink is incredibly hydrating and great for blood pressure. The cucumber provides a cooling effect, while mint adds a refreshing twist. For a tropical twist, try the mango turmeric smoothie. Combine 1 cup of frozen mango, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a cup of coconut water, and a squeeze of lime juice in a blender. Blend until smooth and indulge in this anti-inflammatory, heart-boosting beverage. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making this smoothie a great choice for reducing inflammation. Next on the list is the pomegranate green tea. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has been linked to improved heart health. Mix it with half a cup of pomegranate juice and a teaspoon of honey. This combination not only tastes great, but also provides a double dose of antioxidants. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants, and green tea is known for its heart-healthy properties. Together, they make a powerful drink that supports heart health. Let's not forget the golden milk latte. Warm up a cup of almond milk and whisk in half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a teaspoon of honey. This soothing drink is not only delicious, but also great for reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. The black pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric, making this drink even more beneficial. For a zesty option, try the lemon ginger infusion. Slice up a lemon and a small piece of ginger. Add them to a teapot with hot water and let it steep for a few minutes. This infusion is not only refreshing, but also great for digestion. This drink is fantastic for digestion and boosting heart health. The combination of lemon and ginger provides a zesty kick that is both invigorating and beneficial. Lastly, let's make the avocado smoothie. Blend half an avocado, a cup of unsweetened almond milk, a handful of spinach, and a teaspoon of honey. This creamy drink is packed with heart-healthy fats and fiber. Avocado provides monounsaturated fats, which are great for heart health, while spinach adds a boost of vitamins and minerals. There you have it, 8 delicious heart-healthy drinks to try. Each one is designed to support your heart health while delighting your taste buds. Thank you. Cheers to